Alright YouTube, so just a little quick video today. Some of you might have noticed possibly that there was something I forgot to do in the big brake kit episode, which I said I was going to, which was to compare the weight of the old OEM stuff and the new big brake kit. So what I'm going to do is just show you the footage from the unboxing videos, which if you haven't seen them, go and check them out. There's a playlist for unboxing, about 4 videos in there I think. There's one thing I occurred just now which I didn't weigh, which was the spacers. So I've done a bit of googling and I think, you know, give or take a kilo, I'd say we're looking at about 4 kilos for the 4 spacers. So I've added that on as well. So I came up with the idea of tracking all the stuff I've changed in regards to weight. Kind of recently, after I changed the rear beam, I've contacted the seller of the beam I bought and asked if he could give me the weight of the rear beam, but he just said approximately 20 kilos. So if any of you out there have got a new rear beam like the one I've replaced in my videos, so I think it was from something like Euro Axles. If anyone's bought one of those, which they haven't installed yet, I'd be very appreciative if you could weigh it, because I've still got my old one. Then I can add those to the weight comparison log as well, so that'd be cool. I could track the weight of everything I've changed. I think I've babbled enough. Let's have a look at the weights and I shall report back to you. Time to weigh the front disc. 7.5 kilos. And now for a front caliper. So 5.4 for a front caliper. Right, so I'm going to keep it in the box because it's really grubby. .2 kilos. So I shall have to try and remember to weigh the old ones. So what I'm going to do now, which is what I should have done in the last unboxing video, was to weigh the new calipers. So what I'm going to do is chuck the caliper with the adapter and 2 brake pads, and that's 6 kilos. So it's obviously always a bit disappointing when the weight has actually gone up on your car, especially when it's unsprung weight. I read different conflicting things saying that unsprung weight sort of equates to double sprung weight, but yeah, there seems to be a lot of theories on that. But weight gain is weight gain, isn't it? But I knew it was going to happen just from feeling the weight of those discs when I took them out of the box. But there we are. It's just going to stop a lot quicker. So the calipers, as you can see, are pretty much the same weight, which is cool. It's just those great big chunky discs. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.